Engineering gadgets. What is printer? Machine which makes a durable representation of graphics or text, usually on paper. While most output is human-readable, barcode printers are an example of an expanded use for printers. Different types of printers include 3D printers, inkjet printers, laser printers, and thermal printers. The first commercial printers generally used mechanisms from electric typewriters and teletype machines. The demand for higher speed led to the development of new systems specifically for computer use. In the 1980s there were daisy wheel systems similar to typewriters, line printers that produced similar output but at much higher speed, and dot matrix systems that could mix text and graphics but produced relatively low quality output. The plotter was used for those requiring high quality line art like blueprints. Printers can be connected to computers in many ways directly by a dedicated data cable such as the USB. How printer works. The printer draws an inverted copy of that image on its drum using a laser, creating an electrostatic charge. The printer releases toner onto the drum, and the toner is attracted to the parts of the drum that have been charged by the laser. The printer passes a sheet of paper over the drum, transferring the toner. Inkjet printers. Inkjet printers spray tiny droplets of ink onto paper through a print head containing numerous nozzles. The printer receives digital data from a computer and converts it into instructions for the print head. The print head moves across the page, and nozzles ejecting droplets onto the paper to form the desired image or text. The paper moves through the printer, allowing the print head to complete the image or text. Laser printers. Laser printers use a laser beam to create an image on a photosensitive drum, which then attracts toner particles to form the image. The printer receives digital data and uses a laser beam to create an electrostatic image on a drum. Toner particles are attracted to the charged areas on the drum. The toner is transferred to the paper, and then fused to the paper using heat and pressure. Some other printer types like thermal printers use heat to transfer images onto special heat-sensitive paper, commonly used for receipts and labels. 3D printers create physical objects from digital files by adding layers of material, one on top of the other. LED printers, similar to laser printers, but use a light-emitting diode array instead of a laser beam. In order to fairly compare operating expenses of printers with a relatively small ink cartridge to printers with a larger, more expensive toner cartridge that typically holds more toner and so prints more pages before the cartridge needs to be replaced, many people prefer to estimate operating expenses in terms of cost per page. Retailers often apply the razor and blades model. A company may sell a printer at cost and make profits on the ink cartridge, paper, or some other replacement part. This has caused legal disputes regarding the right of companies other than the printer manufacturer to sell compatible ink cartridges. To protect their business model, several manufacturers invest heavily in developing new cartridge technology and patenting it. Other manufacturers, in reaction to the challenges from using this business model, choose to make more money on printers and less on ink, promoting the latter through their advertising campaigns.